So we're taking a problem that's asking us $45 for a price on pants, 15% sale. What's the selling price? So we're going to convert 15% to a fraction, 15 over 100. Percent is out of 100, so 15 out of 100. Then we're going to take 15 out of 100 over 100, multiply it by 45. In multiplying 45, it is useful to put a 1 in the denominator so it could help reduce your fractions. Simplify 15 over 100 first. That will be 5 times 3 over 5 times 20. Multiplying it again by 45 over 1. As you can see, 5 over 5 will be reduced to a 1, leaving us with 3 over 20 multiplied by 45 over 1. We continue reducing the fractions. We could see that the 20 and the 45 both have a 5 in common. So this is 3 over 4 times 5, and this one will be 9 times 5 over 1. So just like we reduced 5 over 5 where it became 1, the same thing happens to these 5. So this becomes 27 over 4. So now we're going to do a division, of old school division with 27 over 4, where the denominator goes on the outside of the division house, 27 goes on the inside. So we should be very familiar with doing this type of division. How many times does 4 go into 27? That will be 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. So we do the subtraction, and this will give us a 3. We know that 3 cannot go into 4, so we need to add another 0. If we add a 0, that makes it a decimal next to the 6. Drop down the 0. How many times does 4 go into 30? And that gives us 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. So subtract. 30 take away 28 gives us a 2. Add another 0. Drop the 0. How many times does 4 go into 20? That's a 5. So 675 is not your answer. It's how much of a discount you're going to get from 45. So get the sale price, you're going to have to subtract $45, subtract 675. We're going to have to borrow in order to get our final answer. So this becomes a 10, while this becomes a 9, and this becomes a 4. 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away 7 is 2. We can't take 4 away from 6, so we need to borrow. That becomes a 14. 14 take away 6 will gives us what kind of number? So this will be 8. And there is our sale price of $38.25.